Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Smart English Official. I'm Lima.
And I'm James. Today we're talking about a topic that makes everyone happy: food.
Yes. But food is more than just eating, right, James? It's about memories, culture, and the stories we share.
Exactly. Many English learners can introduce themselves, but when someone asks about food, they often get stuck. The words just disappear.
So, today, we'll fix that. We'll help you talk about food naturally, like you're chatting with a friend, not studying a textbook.
We'll share easy phrases, funny stories, and simple tips you can use at a restaurant, with friends, or when you travel.
Let's start simple. James, what's your favorite food?
That's easy for me: burgers. A good juicy burger with cheese and fresh vegetables. It's my comfort food.
I knew you'd say that. What kind of burger do you like best?
I love a classic cheeseburger. Simple but perfect. How about you, Lima?
For me, it's Thai curry. It's spicy, colorful, and full of flavor. Every bite is an adventure.
So, we have burgers and curry, two totally different foods. But that's a great conversation starter. You can say, I love burgers because they're satisfying. Or, I enjoy curry because it's spicy and exciting.
That's a good tip. Always say why you like something. It makes your answer more interesting. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I love soup because it's warm and comforting.
I like fruit because it's fresh and healthy.
Great. You can use words like sweet, spicy, crunchy, creamy, or salty to describe food.
For example, I love ice cream because it's sweet and creamy. Or, I enjoy salad because it's fresh and crunchy.
And remember, your voice and smile matter. When you talk about food you love, sound happy. It makes your English sound natural.
That's so true. English isn't just about words. It's about feeling. When you feel happy, the words come easier.
Food is also a perfect topic for small talk. You can ask someone, do you like cooking? Or, what's your favorite restaurant?
Yes, it's friendly and easy. Everyone loves talking about food. So, let's build a mini conversation. Ready?
Ready. What's your favorite food?
I really like pizza. What about you?
I love noodles. They're delicious and easy to make.
Simple, right? Let's learn a few more useful phrases. You can say, I'm a big fan of. For example, I'm a big fan of Mexican food.
Or, I can't live without. Like, I can't live without coffee in the morning.
Another good one is, I'm craving. It means you really want to eat something. I'm craving chocolate right now.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I'm a big fan of sandwiches.
I can't live without tea.
I'm craving cake.
Excellent. You sound more natural already. Now, Lima, have you ever tried a food you didn't like?
Oh yes. Once I tried blue cheese. The smell was strong, very strong.
Ha ha, blue cheese. I tried it too. It wasn't for me. That's a good phrase to remember. It's not for me.
Yes, instead of saying I hate it, you can say it's not really my thing. Or I'm not a big fan.
That sounds more polite. Let's practice. I'm not a big fan of very spicy food.
Black coffee is not really my thing. Perfect. These phrases help you sound kind and friendly.
Food isn't just about taste. It's about all our senses. The smell of fresh bread, the sound of frying onions, the look of a colorful salad.
You're right. Let's describe food using our senses. This soup smells amazing.
The chicken feels soft and tender.
The lemonade tastes fresh and sweet.
Using these words makes your English vivid and real. Okay, everyone listening, it's your turn. What's your favorite food? Tell us in the comments. Try using I love because.
And say it out loud. Speaking English is like cooking practice makes it better.
Now, let's talk about restaurants. Many learners feel nervous ordering food, but it's easy if you know a few simple phrases.
The most important phrase is, I'd like, or can I have? For example, I'd like the fish, please, or can I have a salad?
And always say, please. It's polite and friendly. You can also ask for changes. Can I have it without onions? Or, could I have extra sauce, please?
Let's do a quick restaurant scene. I'll be the waiter and you order Lima.
Okay.
Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken with rice, please.
Would you like a drink with that?
Just water, thank you.
Great. Your food will be ready soon.
See? Simple and clear. You don't need perfect grammar, just be polite.
Exactly. Now, what if there's a problem? Maybe your food is too cold or too salty.
You can say politely, excuse me, this is a bit cold. Could you heat it up, please?
Or, this soup is very salty for me. Always be calm and polite.
Now let's talk about being a guest. When someone invites you for dinner, what do you say?
You can say, thank you for having me, or everything looks delicious.
While eating, you can say, this is really tasty, or I love this flavor.
And after eating, don't forget, thank you for the wonderful meal.
Small words, big impact. Now, James, what's your comfort food?
Definitely mashed potatoes. They remind me of my grandmother's cooking. It feels like home.
That's sweet. For me, it's a simple tomato soup. It's warm and makes me feel better on a bad day.
Comfort food is like a hug in a bowl. Sharing these stories in English helps people know you better.
Let's learn some great food words to sound more natural.
First, savory. Not sweet like fries or soup.
Tender. Soft and easy to eat like well-cooked meat.
Crunchy. Makes a sound when you bite, like chips or apples.
Flavorful. Full of good taste.
Spicy. Hot like chili or curry.
Fresh. Just made or from nature, like fruit or salad.
And rich. Strong and heavy in flavor like chocolate cake.
Let's use them. I love savory snacks.
The fish was tender and juicy.
I enjoy crunchy vegetables.
Great. Now let's learn some fun English idioms about food.
Idioms make you sound like a native speaker. First, piece of cake. It means something is very easy.
For example, the test was a piece of cake.
Next, spill the beans. It means tell a secret.
Come on, spill the beans. What's the surprise?
Another, cool as a cucumber. It means very calm.
She was cool as a cucumber during her speech.
And have a lot on your plate. It means you're very busy.
I can't meet today. I have a lot on my plate.
Let's repeat them. Piece of cake. Spill the beans. Cool as a cucumber. Have a lot on your plate.
Amazing. Food is also different in every culture. In many countries, sharing a meal is a way to show friendship.
Yes. Knowing a few phrases can help you connect with people everywhere. You can say, "This dish is wonderful," or, "Could you tell me more about this food?"
Being curious and polite is the best way to learn about new cultures.
Let's do a final practice. Repeat after us. I enjoy cooking because it's creative.
My favorite food reminds me of happy times.
I like trying new foods when I travel.
Perfect. Remember, making mistakes is okay. Every mistake is a step toward improvement.
Yes. Don't worry about being perfect. Just practice, speak, and enjoy the process.
So, use your English to talk about the food you love. Share your stories and memories.
Next time someone asks about food, you'll answer with confidence and a smile.
Before we finish, let's review some useful words. Delicious, very tasty.
Yummy. Informal for delicious.
Bland and not enough flavor.
Greasy, too much oil.
Healthy, good for your body.
And guilty pleasure. Something you enjoy but maybe shouldn't, like extra dessert.
Repeat them. Delicious, yummy, bland, greasy, healthy, guilty pleasure.
You've learned so much today. You can now describe food, order at a restaurant, use idioms, and share your food stories.
We're so proud of you. Your challenge is to write in the comments, "My favorite food is," because, oh.
We'll read some comments in our next episode. Please like this video, subscribe to Smart English Official, and share it with a friend.
Remember, every word you practice makes you better. Keep learning, keep speaking, and add flavor to your English every day.
Thank you for joining us.
This is Lima.
And this is James from Smart English Official. Bye for now.